What if your morning cup of coffee could make your houseplants happier too? Before you pour those leftover coffee grounds into the trash, you might want to think again. Some popular houseplants actually benefit from coffee when it's used correctly. Rich in nitrogen and organic matter, used coffee grounds can improve soil quality and encourage healthy growth. But here's the catch. Not every plant likes coffee, and too much can do more harm than good. Today, we'll reveal 10 beautiful houseplants that love coffee just as much as you do, plus how to use it safely for lush, thriving greenery. Plant number 1. Peace lily. The peace lily is one of the best houseplants for coffee lovers. Since it naturally prefers slightly acidic soil, used coffee grounds can help maintain the right pH while adding valuable nutrients. Sprinkle a thin layer of dried coffee grounds into the potting mix every few months, or add compost containing coffee. This encourages greener leaves and stronger growth. Avoid applying fresh, wet coffee grounds directly on the soil because they may become compacted and hold too much moisture. Used in moderation, coffee can help your peace lily stay healthy and produce more elegant white blooms throughout the year. Plant number 2. African violet. African violets thrive in slightly acidic soil, making coffee grounds a great occasional soil amendment. The added organic material improves soil texture while slowly releasing nutrients that support healthy foliage and colorful flowers. Always use completely dried, used coffee grounds mixed into compost or potting soil rather than placing them directly on the surface. This prevents mold and improves drainage. When combined with proper watering and bright indirect light, coffee-fed African violets often develop richer green leaves and more frequent blooming cycles, rewarding you with vibrant flowers almost year-round. Plant number 3. Snake plant. Plants are famous for surviving neglect, but they also appreciate nutrient-rich soil from time to time. Small amounts of composted coffee grounds can enrich the soil with nitrogen and organic matter, supporting healthy leaf production. Since snake plants prefer well-draining soil, use coffee sparingly and never allow grounds to build up on the surface. Mixing a tiny amount into compost before repotting is the safest method. When balanced with proper watering, your snake plant can remain strong, upright, and beautifully vibrant while continuing to purify indoor air. Plant number 4. Pothos golden. Pothos grows quickly and responds well to occasional nutrient boosts. Coffee grounds mixed into compost provide slow-release nutrients that encourage lush vines and fuller foliage. Because pothos enjoys slightly acidic conditions, coffee can be beneficial when applied in moderation. Avoid overfeeding, as excessive coffee can alter soil drainage and moisture levels. Use coffee grounds every couple of months. Combined with bright indirect light, this simple trick helps create longer vines with larger, healthier leaves that beautifully cascade from shelves or hanging baskets. Plant number 5. Philodendron. Philodendrons naturally grow in rich forest soils filled with decomposing organic matter. Used coffee grounds mimic part of that environment by adding organic material and improving soil fertility. Mix a small amount into compost before adding it to the pot. This promotes healthy root development and encourages larger, greener leaves. Never pour sugary or flavored coffee onto the soil, as it may attract pests. When used properly, coffee becomes a gentle supplement that supports vigorous, tropical-looking growth without overwhelming the plant. Plant number 6. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera loves nutrient-rich soil, making compost containing coffee grounds an excellent addition to its care routine. The slow-release nutrients help support its famous giant split leaves and vigorous growth. Since Monsteras are heavy feeders during the growing season, occasional coffee-enriched compost can complement regular fertilization. Be careful not to overuse coffee, as too much acidity may eventually stress the roots. A light application every few months is more than enough to help your Monstera maintain its lush, jungle-inspired appearance. Plant number 7. Jade Plant. Although jade plants prefer slightly different conditions than tropical plants, they can still benefit from tiny amounts of compost containing used coffee grounds. The key is moderation. Coffee should never dominate the soil mix because jade plants require excellent drainage. A small amount of compost enriched with coffee can provide trace nutrients while maintaining healthy growth. Always let the soil dry between waterings and avoid adding coffee directly to the pot. Used carefully, this method supports healthy stems and glossy, succulent leaves. Plant number 8. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus enjoys slightly acidic soil and appreciates occasional organic nutrients. Coffee grounds added through compost improve soil quality without overwhelming the roots. During active growth, this extra nutrition can help the plant develop stronger stems and prepare for beautiful seasonal blooms. Never use coffee grounds as a thick mulch because they may trap moisture around the roots. Instead, blend small amounts into compost and apply lightly. Combined with proper light and watering, your Christmas cactus may reward you with spectacular flowers during the holiday season. Plant number 9. Spider plant. Spider plants grow quickly and produce plenty of baby plantlets when they're healthy. Coffee-enriched compost provides slow-release nutrients that support vigorous foliage growth. Use only a light amount every few months, ensuring the potting mix remains loose and well-draining. Avoid overwatering after applying coffee because excess moisture can damage the roots. With balanced care, your spider plant will continue producing graceful arching leaves and plenty of offspring that you can propagate throughout your home. Plant number 10. Gardenia. Gardenias are well known for loving acidic soil, making them one of the biggest fans of coffee grounds. Used coffee added to compost helps maintain suitable soil conditions while supplying valuable organic matter. Healthy gardenias reward growers with glossy green foliage and incredibly fragrant white flowers. Since gardenias can be sensitive to soil imbalances, always use coffee sparingly and monitor the plant's health. Combined with bright light, humidity, and regular watering, coffee becomes one more tool for keeping these stunning flowering plants at their best. Now you know that your morning coffee can benefit more than just you. When used correctly, used coffee grounds can provide valuable nutrients for many popular houseplants while improving soil health naturally. Remember, moderation is the secret. Too much coffee can damage roots instead of helping them. If you enjoyed these coffee-friendly plant tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more expert houseplant advice, and let us know in the comments which of these plants is growing in your home, and have you ever tried feeding it coffee? Happy growing!